Hello and welcome to Chris Hairpire. So this is another corkscrew twist video. So guys, we are going to be learning how to achieve this beautiful corkscrew twist that everybody wanna do right now. So you're welcome to my channel. If you are not yet subscribed, please just go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Subscribe to this video and let's make the world a better place. So right here I actually applied edge control just to get a visible, clear and shining path. So you just go ahead and pat the hair like I'm doing right here. So we are using this Brazilian wool thread and I'm not going to be cutting the thread. I just take a certain portion of it, like the part that I want. There's a shorter part which I measure to the length that I want. As you can see me doing, that's the shorter part. I'm measuring to the length I want. Then from there I start to braid. So the shorter part of the hair should be equivalent to the length you want and you start braiding. Normally I don't cut the hair, like I don't part it into sections. So when I'm done twisting the longer part, that's when I cut it off. I don't like first of all go into cut the hair. So that's what I do. But if it's difficult for you, you can go ahead, estimate the length and cut the hair. Like I tried checking, I discovered one strand of the corkscrew twist could actually take like 2.5 meter length of the wool, the longer part that we twist around. So we already braided the part, so I'm just taking 2 strands of wool. I go in and wrap the braided part just to cover that braid. So right now I'm going to send the natural hair to the side, to the side that is shorter. Yes, because we are going to be using the long side to twist around the shorter part, because the shorter part is equivalent to the length we want the braid to be. Yes, this is the length of the braid. So we send all the natural hair to that side so that we twist with the longer part and cover it. So you're going to twine. This is the longer part. So for twisting, you'll be twining and flipping over. You twine like that and flip over. Twine, pass it again under. It's like twining and rubbing or tying it around the shorter part. That's just the trick. So you twine, pass it under, twine again, cross it. It's just like twining the longer part and rubbing it over the shorter part. So I do this so that you can really have a good understanding of it. And guys, I have other video of this corkscrew twist on my channel showing you more easier methods, like more simple method to achieve it. I have other videos with different methods. So if this method isn't working for you, you can go check out the other videos. Maybe those other methods will work for you. So it's just basically twining and twisting, flipping over from the right to the left. I don't know how you braid. Yours might be from the left to the right, but actually do it from the right to the left. So that's just the process. So guys, along the video, what is really important is the explanation, and I do always make sure I do detailed explanation so that you understand what I'm doing detailedly. So watch this video right to the end to be able to follow up with the explanation so that you can better understand how to achieve this look. And hey, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel and you've watched this far, please just go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Subscribe to this video, subscribe to my channel, subscribe to me, like, subscribe to you. Yeah, we are making the world a better place. thank you for coming. Just keep watching and taking down the instructions, and I trust you that when you eventually try this out, it will be the best. So Brazilian wool can be so drying, so make sure you always moisturize the hair before braiding, and always moisturize your hair like after every other day, like after a day or two, so as to keep your hair in good condition. So I didn't mention from the beginning, but all throughout the video I made sure I moisturize this hair very well before braiding, because this Brazilian wool is so drying. So please don't forget to moisturize your hair very well. So y'all, this is the final look. This hair is so beautiful. I love it. If you love it too, just give me a thumbs up, and if you are not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Please share this video, let it reach everybody that needs to watch it. Thank you for watching. Love you, and see you in my next video. Bye.